The boys.
Yes, of course. Yes.
U x'nu
You are in the TV program.
With the sandal jew. I'm like on the pageant, you know, pageant. Tafni mi pageant, ma ħsibx. Pageant, he told me like I'm on the pageant.
What is pageant?
Good Friday.
Good Friday.
The Good Friday pageant.
It's of Easter, you know.
Hola, my name is Vanessa. I'm 27 years old and I come from Spain. And all the men tell me that I like my patata. Now I cannot understand the Kion when he tells me about the pigeon.
Pageant, Good
Yes.
Friday, the pageant.
Good Friday to you. Maybe it is because I come from the Spain, but for me very difficult to understand the Maltese boys and tradition.
Ifhem, int mhux il-Maltese boys biz difficult to understand, imma anke l-ismijiet.
See, sometimes I make confusion with the Smith, so it's very hard for me to understand, but it's true, sometimes I confuse. They like my patata and I confuse.